And we are recording. Started. And we are at today is the 27th June
June.
2021, and we are on a Sunday call, fun aging call. So all the projections, expectations, separations, judgments, and rejections that are mine and that are yours, and everyone who will join us, and everyone who will hear in the future. Will we all be willing to destroy and uncreate all that? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, honor, short, boys, and beyonds. So, what else is possible beyond this reality? We've done gratitude, I think, a few months back, but it showed up again. So, how does it get any better than this? Hi, Mamta. Hi,
गुड
Raji.
मॉर्निंग, हाउ आर यू? आज क्या पहना है? बहुत ग्लो आ रहा है फेस पे, मस्त लग रहा है।
देख लो फिर, कुछ भी नहीं, खुश हूँ।
कुछ फेस लिफ्ट ऐसा लग रहा है, कुछ किया है मुंह पे।
कुछ नहीं किया,
बहुत ग्लो लग रहा है।
कुछ नहीं किया, कुछ लगाया भी नहीं है। ऐसे ही है हम, क्या करें?
That's a natural glow. कमल का natural glow है ये.
Yes, yes. That's who I am. I'm happy.
Yes.
And then when you're happy, happiness shows on your face. I heard Gary say that you are every bar, every one of the bar. You are peace, you are calm, your kindness, your gratitude, you're everything if you choose to be. And we don't choose, we pile up shit on ourselves. And then we age. And then we go, I don't want to age. How to be happy all the times when there is too much stress around at home or when? Okay. Happiness is a choice. No matter what. No matter what. Is that the choice that you're willing to make? If everything around you that was going on wasn't stress, but was an interesting point of view, then would you be happy? Can you have fun with all the drama going on?
When kids don't listen to us, like I am a mother of 2 kids, they are small. They don't listen to me. They keep on doing the opposite.
How about you listening to them then?
What
देखो जो चीज नहीं हो रही होती उससे पलट के करके देखो ना, आप वही करते रहते हो तो फिर वही.
Ma'am, I want more of Hindi. Sorry, don't mistake. More of Hindi and English and less of Hindi. Okay.
More of
English. Yeah,
okay.
And less of Hindi. Okay. Could you repeat that again?
What did I say? Okay, why don't you listen to them instead?
Ma'am, he's throwing the things and breaking when I tell him to come for something.
So what makes children do that? What makes you angry?
It's getting time for sleep or getting time for read. He's not understanding that he's just throwing the toy.
What makes you angry?
Because he's not understanding that it's getting late for sleep.
What makes you angry?
I mean, he is not understanding, so that makes me angry.
So could you understand so that it doesn't make you and him angry? Is there a possibility? Can you show your face? There is a rule here. People who ask me to show their face.
No, I just got maybe after some time.
Never mind. You're beautiful. Just show your face. If you don't want to show your face, no questions.
No. In after 5 minutes at least, I'll come and show my face.
Then you ask your question. Then you ask your question after 5 minutes.
Okay. I'll come and show, and that time I'll ask.
Yeah, please. But you're beautiful as you are.
Thank you.
Hi, Kawal. How are you?
Hi, Aarti. How are you? Lovely to have you here.
Same here. Same here. Lovely to be here.
Oh. We don't choose to be happy. We don't choose to be lovely. We don't choose to. We can. It's easy. What makes us not choose us? When you start choosing you, when you start doing what's right for you can choose anything. It's not far away. The happiness is not far away. It's right here. It's banging your door. It wants to come in. It wants to contribute to you. It's right there, available. You are the one who says, नहीं, मैं 2 मिनट, 5 मिनट के बाद तैयार होके आऊंगी. नहीं, मैं ये मेरा बच्चा नहीं मेरी बात सुनता. नहीं. All that Indian picture drama. We have already bought somebody else's point of view. What happiness is, what aging is, what fun is. Simona, you're trying 3 different things to join and you're not joining. What happened is that internet. Hi, Nida. आप तो छाए हुए हो आजकल. Hi, Nida. Oh, she's still connecting. So, guys, come on with your questions.
Can I
What
share
is-
something quickly?
What is gratitude to you? Are you sharing gratitude?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Okay, so this week, like as you know, I had a miraculous week last week. So this week, my friend was trying to buy something on this website and he was having like payment issues and stuff. I was giving him a kickback and he tried and tried, it didn't work. So fine. And then so he asked me, he's like, hey, can you try buying it for me and I'll just transfer you the money? I was like, okay, fine. It works for me. So he sent me the money and I was like, oh, I'm so, happy that I could be a contribution, blah, blah, blah. Then 10 minutes later, all of a sudden I get more money from him. And I was like, did you like send it by accident? He's like, no, that's for you to treat yourself to something. And I was like, how sweet is that? Like,
How does it get any better than
so
that?
much.
How
So I
about,
got dinner last night.
how about helping people to get connected to the net? That's a business.
Yes. I was so happy. I got like a lovely dinner yesterday. I was like, yes, like thank you so much for like this food and everything. So I was so grateful. I really was. That's it.
Awesome. Awesome. Can I have that? Can I have more of that, please?
Yes.
That's awesome. None of the other people can have that. Only you, Jazz, and me.
Yes.
What,
Nobody else can have it.
yeah, what can we choose beyond this reality that nobody else can choose? Hi, Nida. You were not getting connected. What happened? You have to unmute yourself.
Can I ask now, ma'am?
Yeah. So,
Go ahead.
yeah,
show
yeah.
your face.
Yeah,
No,
then I
but
have to. Yeah, go ahead.
I'll come back to you, Nida.
Ma'am, I just got up, ma'am. I didn't sleep well.
Why didn't you sleep well?
I have a small baby. I get up for feeding and all that.
Okay.
So could you tell me, like, when kids are not listening and when how to be happy at that time?
But first, you have to ask a question. What makes them not happy? What makes them ask a lot of questions and trouble you? You call it trouble, but they just want your attention. They just want something that you're not giving them. What happens when you don't get something? What happens?
Okay.
You keep insisting, you keep going for it, you keep looking for it, you keep asking for it. Don't you do that?
Okay.
So what if the child was doing that?
Yeah, I mean,
Just that. And you made the child sit on your lap and ask, okay, tell me, what do you want, my love? What if only that sentence was required?
but when you're doing so many things, you don't have time, no, to see. I have to cook. I have to take
Always
care.
have time. There's nothing important than your peace. What will you do for yourself? Then you. Are you committed to yourself or you're committed to the work that you have to do? Fuck the work. Work will get done on its own.
Okay.
If you believe you are the only one who has to do that work, tathastu, you will be the only one who will do it. But when you know work will get done, I just want to have fun with my children. Okay, now what can I do? Okay, now what can I do?
No, but no
will-
one else is there.
Let me finish. You will see people come and do your work. You will see magic happening in your life if you want to create it. Do you want to create magic in your life? Or you want to create work in your life?
Magic.
Work is your priority, you will get more work to do. If happiness is your priority, you will get more happiness to do. What is your choice? Now
Magic.
tell me what you want.
Happiness.
Then choose happiness in every now moment.
But I don't have anyone else to do the work. No, I have to do it. No, I mean,
अगर नहीं काम करोगे तो क्या होगा? गंदा हो जाएगा, घर गंदा रह जाएगा, बर्तन नहीं धुलेंगे. Are they more important than your happiness? Than your children?
okay. Okay.
Who do you want to prove to that you are a perfect woman? To yourself? To people who come over? Fuck it, I don't mind anybody looking at my house is bad or not. I want to enjoy my life. Can you choose that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Everything
Okay.
doesn't allow us to choose that in every now moment. Would you be willing to enjoy an uncreated dog?
Yeah. Yes.
So when I say, what can I choose beyond this reality? This is what it is. This reality says, Sara kaam theek kar, do all the work properly. The house should be neat and clean. The children should be neat and clean. Bathed, I should be bathed, and everything should be done properly, brushed and everything. No. What is beyond this reality?
Okay.
What new realities beyond this reality are available to me that I can now choose?
Can you come again? Can you repeat that question again, ma'am?
What can I choose beyond this reality now? So what new non-realities, what new non-realities beyond this reality are available to me and that I can choose? That I have never considered.
Okay.
Whatever has been taught to me, I'm doing that.
Okay.
It's not working for me. I am tired. My children are not happy.
Okay.
Let me do what works for me.
Okay.
Rather than what everybody else says.
Actually, the little one, no, the 8-month-old one, she always wants me to be with her. I need to go cook food also, no? I mean, because due to this corona, I didn't keep maid. I stopped because I have 2 kids.
Okay, so 1 minute. When I started doing Access, not me, okay. When I have heard many of my clients when they started doing Access, the family felt that we have abandoned them. The family felt now she is looking after herself, now she's doing what she wants to do, and now we are not in her picture. So once Gary said, he said it many times after that, but first time I heard was, he said, you just can connect with them. Just say energetically, give them a hug, each one of them, your husband, if you have your in-laws, if you have your parents, their children, just give them a message, I'm here. Even when you will not be here, they will still get your energy around them.
Just
Like I have two dogs. When I leave the house to go somewhere, I tell them, I'm here. Don't worry. Be happy. They don't feel secure. I started using this in every area of my life.
how to do that energetically? I mean, I'm new. I just started.
How do you give an energetic hug? Just hold the person energetically.
Think that you are
अभी आप करो अपने बच्चे को अपने हाथ में. You don't have your child in your hand. Just energetically take your child in your hand and give that child a hug. Can you do that?
yeah, imagine that they are there here. You need to imagine that they are here and give. That's what, right?
Okay. If you want to say that's a word you can use, imagine. But just don't have to go to your head. Just hold your child. Can you hold your child now?
Yeah.
Yeah, give it a tight hug.
Yeah.
Just let it know that you're here. Let it know that I am here. Don't worry, I am here. Whatever you
So, like, as you told me, like my small baby, she doesn't allow me to do cooking also. So, I can keep doing my work and I can keep energetically talking to her.
try that. Just say I'm here, give some things. It's I'm here. Call me when you want. Otherwise, I'm here.
Okay. Okay,
And
ma'am.
wherever, whatever you're doing, just in between, sometime when you think of the child, because you know, oh, she must be okay, she must not be okay, should I go and see? Just at that time, send again another hug, another connection.
Okay. Okay.
Ask to connect. You can, in Access, if you've been here for some times, we ask to connect with the elementals to create something faster. We ask to connect with each and every molecule. How do you do that? Children are also molecules. You're also, everything is a molecule. If you can connect to the power that you have thought is greater than you by just sitting here, can't you connect to your child who's in right next room?
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
You have a point of view, God, he, she, it, higher power, whatever you want to name it, universe will help you. If you have a point of view, they will, each and every molecule will help you. Then you help everybody, and can't they help you by just energetically asking for it?
Okay.
Just think of something. Think of something you haven't been able to be grateful for. Bring it into your bubble. Okay, I have a bubble just here, energetic bubble. Bring that thing that you haven't been grateful for. You haven't been grateful for the little children that you have. Sometimes you get angry. Okay, put them in your bubble, in your gratitude bubble. And the more you live from the space of gratitude, the more everything in life is seen as something to be grateful for.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for asking that.
Thank you so much.
Gratitude can change the energy of anything.
Can I ask one more question?
Yes,
Am I?
go ahead.
I have some sleep issues, ma'am. Like, I don't know, maybe this pregnancy, many things created that. And when I go to sleep, so too many thoughts, too many worries, I don't get sleep, deep sleep, proper sleep also, I don't have regular sleep also. So any thought to...
We have one clearing for that. What energy, space, and consciousness can I be to relax, slumber, and sleep right away? Say it 3-4 times and you wouldn't even know that you're sleeping.
Okay, what energy, space, consciousness, and choice that I can be so that I can relax, slumber, and sleep right away.
Everything doesn't allow that. Destroy and uncreate it all.
Create it. Yeah. Okay, I'm so grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you for asking.
Yeah, bye, ma'am.
Yes, Neera. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
आप तो छाए हुए हो आजकल.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Time to come out in the world. So,
Yes, yes. You're very much there.
yes. Thank you so much with all your wisdom to the morning calls on here, oh, and so many. Everybody contributes to you being out there in the world. And then there are some people who said, "Kuch bhi bol do, kuch bhi kar lo." I said, "Yeah, baki," and you get it when you get it. So I got it now. So here I am.
Really, it's awesome.
Thank you so
Awesome.
much. Thank you.
So, any more questions, guys? Usha.
Hi, hi, good
Salima.
morning,
Okay.
Chaval.
Okay, Salima.
My internet is slow,
I
so
can't
I'll
see
not
your
turn on the
face.
video.
I can't see
I
your
can't
face.
turn on the video because the internet is slow.
I like that. All right. That's a lovely excuse.
Okay, I want to ask you that from the past few days, I am getting a charge because of false accusations, and it is bringing up many memories of my childhood and everything. And yesterday, there was a lot of drama and trauma in my house with my mom and with some incident which was so that this we have to discard. Okay. And she went and gave it, called somebody and gave it away. And then she
मैंने
keeps
जाना है
on
आज.
she keeps on playing blame game. I just want to release and disconnect with all this attitude problem. So how do I release all
So
the
you are
charge of
becoming
it?
the effect of it.
Yeah, from the
Is
past.
that a great choice?
No.
Then don't choose. People
But
do what they do. It's not personal. People do. When we do something, we do from our whatever we think is right. It doesn't have to be right for the other person. It can trouble you only when you buy it as right. If you don't buy it as right, then you just see it as it is. An interesting point of view. She has that point of view.
okay.
So
And
we wish to be the choice in which to choose not to be the effect of anything. That is the choice you have to make, my love.
and I also want to release I can say I've been working on myself to the little residual memories and the pain associated with them regarding.
So all oaths, vows, fealties, communities, bindings, bondings, contract, commitments that you ever made about whatever that is, in any lifetime, in any parallel universe, that is now showing up the way it is at this moment, would you be willing to let that go?
Yes.
Ma'am, that was too big. How to remember? That was too big what you told now. I mean, the clearance statement.
You don't have to remember it. You just have to know the energy of it. You can even say it, whatever Kamal said, it will work. We are energetic beings.
Okay.
वो जो मैं तो शुरू में बोलती थी, वो जो गैरी ने कहा, मेरे को तो
I think
राइट I didn't even know what right. I thought in the first time, I thought I wouldn't be able to say right, wrong, good, bad, POC, PUD, all night short. How will I remember it? So for the first few months or days, I said whatever the Gary said, whatever that lady said who taught me.
Okay.
Okay.
And this
Ma'am, this recordings you don't send to everyone, ma'am, because like not.
Raji, 1 minute, 1 minute. I have to finish with the person who's talking.
Oh,
and
sorry.
Yes, Salima.
Yeah, and like to release all the solidity within us, जो बचपन से देखे करे, and
Yeah, with these oath vow clearings, you can do anything. Anything that is from this lifetime or past lifetimes that you have been holding on because you bought it. Somewhere you bought it. Somewhere you thought, whenever you heard that now or before or in any lifetime, you thought that was real. You made it real. You made it significant. And you bought it and locked it in your body. Now, everything that happens slightly that matches that, it triggers and it comes forward and it comes to you again and again. So now, first thing is to acknowledge that you bought it. Does it feel light when I say you bought it?
No, I heave a sigh of relief. कि हाँ अभी मेरे like I'm getting the courage to okay somebody is there with me, कि they are not seeing me as a bad person, money, when they are seeing my inner beauty.
Salima, you didn't hear what I said.
Yes, it felt heavy. That's why I heaved a sigh of relief.
It felt heavy because you want people to believe you. You want people to validate you. You want approval from people. Sorry, that's not possible. People will not give you approval when you don't give yourself approval. Do you give yourself approval? You have locked this in your body. How can you be you? You have to be what you have locked in your body. And but you are peace, you are great, you are grateful, you are abundant, you are phenomenal, you are magical, you are miracle, you are everything that an infinite being is. Do you realize that? Are you that? If you were that, you wouldn't even care what people say. You care because you yourself don't realize that you are that phenomenal infinite being. The day you
Okay, so
realize that you are, you wouldn't want anybody to validate you.
okay, so everywhere I have bought this, that I have to always be a good daughter,
A good
and
daughter, a good wife, a good mother-in-law, a good mother, a good sister, a good whatever the fuck it is. You are good. You are saying you are not good. People are saying you're not good because you are saying you're not good. Otherwise, you are an infinite being. You cannot be wrong. There is no wrong, there's no right, there's no good, there's no bad.
okay. Yeah. So without any guilt, okay, I can do for myself that power. I have to keep it within me all the time.
You are that power. You are the
Mhm.
one who buys the other stuff and diminishes your power. This ego comes in between.
Yeah.
Remember, it is an ego structure that keeps us separate. It's
Yes.
not us as beings.
True.
As beings, there is no separation. There's oneness. When and where have I done that?
Hmm. Yes, very true.
So if you are being true to yourself, even if it's the first time, you will feel so light, like you're flying. And you will be calm and peaceful in any situation. कहीं तूफान भूचाल आग लगी हुई है, आप पीसफुल रहेंगे.
Yeah. Yes, I'm understanding what you're saying. Yeah. like to enjoy myself without any guilt, and no matter what happens, energetically I'm there with them, and
Yeah, just enjoy, and whenever this something comes, park and pot that. Who does it belong to? Return it to sender. Me, an infinite being, would be troubled by this? No ways. I'm not choosing
Morning,
that.
Kamal. Good
Hi,
morning.
Indra. Good morning.
Good morning.
yeah.
Selima,
Yes,
is
I
it you want another question? You have another question, or have you been?
अभी के लिए इतना मेरे को समझ पड़ा है. I'll
Thank,
work through it, and next, yeah, thank you.
thank you, darling. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
It doesn't work. It doesn't work to be pleasing people. It doesn't work to be listening to what people say. It works to listen to you.
May I ask, Kanwal?
Anji, yes, go ahead.
Okay, I want to ask this. In my country now, the COVID is more compared to last month, like that, and then it's a little bit problem. I mean, to get the veggies and to say to the drivers to get the food and all that. What can I be and do so that it's ease for us to get the basic needs, for the house? So
Isn't it truth? Is it hard? Is it difficult or is it ease? What did you get? Don't go into your head.
it's hard.
Truth. Is it easy or hard?
It's hard.
So what makes it hard? I just pick up the phone, call my ration wala, he sends it. I pick up the phone, tell my sabzi wala, he sends the sabzi. I go on the Amazon. I become very smart. I go to the Amazon, and Amazon is cheaper sometimes than the other shops. And then I fill in all that I want: dogs, pedigree, food, everything. A big box came yesterday for the garden, for the seeds, for the plants, for the khad, for the moss, for everything, for the for those क्या गमले को पानी देने के लिए, that thing broke. Everything I traps I wanted. There were rats. I wanted traps. I got 2 traps. Everything you can get online. What's difficult here? Difficult is here. You choose it, it becomes easy. You don't choose it, it is in your head. Oh, how to do it, what to do, when to do, kya wo. Okay, what next? Okay, what can I do now? Amazon? Kamal saying Amazon? Okay, let me open Amazon and see what all I need. Pulses, for the bathrooms, for the detergents, for this. Everything is available, and next day it comes to your house.
Okay.
And you said you have a driver. Make a list and give it to the driver. My God, how many people have drivers?
Yeah, one of the driver got COVID, and then the blame came to us that you send the driver to the market, this, that, just.
So
And
that is okay. So what's right about this you're not getting? Oh, do I need to call up and ask the things to come? Okay, I'll do that. So do that. Just write it on. Everybody has phone now. Everybody, even the food is being delivered, because even the 5 stars are delivering food, because otherwise nobody is going there.
okay.
I live in wilderness. Everybody comes here to deliver. Do you have honor, vulnerability, trust, gratitude, and allowance for you in any area of your life? Or you are constantly at the effect of this reality? When you cut off your perceiving, knowing, being, and receiving, that you are an infinite being, then you go into problems. Otherwise, everything is a possibility. Oh, this problem happened, this COVID happened, so many possibilities opened up. Neera is making lovely videos on the on YouTube. People are talking on YouTube. I'm having these classes and you're all there. How does it get any better than this? Nothing can stop you. You are unstoppable. If you don't choose it, sorry. Everything is possible when you're willing to choose it, when you're vulnerable. You will only receive in totality when you're totally vulnerable. नहीं हो रहा, okay, क्या होए? Is it making any sense, guys?
Yes.
I called up a friend of mine and told her, oh, I have to get medicines. I can't get medicines. Can you send your driver to get the medicines and leave? That was vulnerability. I would never have done that earlier. Asking somebody to do a favor to me was like sacrilege a few years back. Now I can just pick up a phone. I told her, and that guy was so cute. He kept asking me from different shops, yahan mil nahi raha, wahan, yahan chala jata hu. He brought it from everywhere, and I had the medicines delivered at home. How does it get any better than that?
So true. Can I say something?
Yes, please.
Yeah. So, like this conversation, thank you for this conversation. Brought up a lot during the lockdown, like in the sense that many times I would not perceive I have created the situation. Like I have made it hard for me. That's what I want
Always,
to say.
always.
We are creating it. Okay, Usha. So we have made it hard for ourselves. And when you get, oh, I have made it hard for myself. They are not making it hard for me. I am making it hard for myself. Then you get, okay, if I'm the creator, then what? Those are 4 questions that they're fabulous. What is this? What can I do with it? Can I change it? If so, how can I change it? And keep on repeating it many times. Or some other tool that you really, really gel with, and it comes. So मेरे साथ भी ऐसे हुआ, and it's just like we shared. Like I live in a neighborhood where the secretary is very active. I suddenly, because I had to मंगाओ medicines, अगले दिन driver को भी मना कर दिया था आने के लिए and all. Suddenly a message pops up, and so she sends broadcast messages. We have a group or separate. She pops up a message and she says, anyone who wants medicines, there is someone who's volunteered to go at 1 a.m. Just send all your medicine requirements and to me, and whether it's homeopathy or it's allopathy, just put it under those labels. Until now, it's been 1.5 years. When the lockdown happens, the groceries are there at your door. You just have to ping. Just tell her what you want. So, I mean, the universe will work in unique way. For you, it was that. For me, it was this. For you, it could be something else, We just have to just trust the universe that वो हमारा back है उसके पास. अगर हम मांगेंगे तो वो देगा. अगर हम बोलेंगे वो hard है तो वो hard हो जाएगा. फिर वो hard हो जाएगा. अरे ये तो बहुत फिर वो difficult हो जाएगा. But if we say that if all our life comes to us with ease and ask and choose ease, like so well you said, because in this reality, that the money workbook also, Raz also, even he says, Gary, that we don't choose ease. We choose a lot of stuff, but we don't choose ease with it. So yesterday, I just want to share this. Yesterday, I was a little in a hurry to do something, and I just snapped at my maid and my live-in maid, and then I just realized, but I didn't make myself wrong, and I said, okay, what ease can I have here, and suddenly there was a shift in my body, and then I said, oh, it was required at this moment, and I didn't make myself wrong. I didn't make herself. It could be anything for anyone. Just ask for ease, even when you're angry, even when you're irritable, when you're in a hurry, you feel things are tough, feel ये तो इस और मैं choiceless है, यही है मेरी जिंदगी. Just ask for ease and it comes, you know. Just have to ask for it.
Thank you so much. You just have to be ask and be grateful that it showed up.
Yeah, shows up.
And you start the journey of ask and gratitude, ask and gratitude, ask and it
Yeah.
shall show.
And also expand. Kaval, I mean, we all know that, right? You, I, everybody in the group. And hi, everybody in the group. I just saw this.
And Neera, you are expanded when you are asking that question. When
Yeah.
you are vulnerable and you are being you when you are asking a question. Only when you can't ask a question is when you're not being you, when you're not expanded, you're contracted. So asking for ease, ask and you shall receive anything on the planet, guys.
And here, Kaval, I want to say something. Like you said, we are already expanded when we ask questions, Mana. But shuru mein pata nahi hota that. I mean, for me, I'm talking about myself. So I had to like not thinkingly expand, but I used to just perceive myself expanding beyond. Just हम वो exercise करते हैं, right? And then go beyond all the planets, and then from that space, I used to instill gratitude, okay, and I used to instill abundance. ये दोनों चीजों तीनों चीजों का combination, expansion, abundance, and gratitude. ये तीनों को अंदर डाल के, like I used to literally imagine it because maybe that works for me, okay, guys. I don't know whether it works for them. So it works for me. वो सोचना अच्छा मैं ऐसे हो गया, and then from there I used to ask. That space that I am, and works beautifully for me. So I thought, you know, पहले ऐसे, but eventually तो you are expanding every 10 seconds. And you get to know you're not expanding when you contract and you feel everything is difficult. Then you know for sure, एक bell बज गई चाहिए, ting, ting, ting. Expand करो जी, तुम अपने body में आ गए हो, being को तुम bye कर दिया है. So that is what I am. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Guys, you all have done that energy ball exercise. Everybody knows about energy ball exercise? Who hasn't heard of it or done it, energy ball exercise?
Can we do today?
Yeah, do it today.
Yes.
Anybody else hasn't heard of energy ball exercise? My question is, nobody's answered my question. Even
No.
Raji.
Kamal, I never heard. I heard about it, but I don't know how to do it, how to use it.
Okay, one is Geeta. She's new, that's why. Raji, are you new to Access?
Oh, no. Once I have done this energy pull in some
So
money.
my question is, just yes or no? My question is, who all have not heard of energy exercise?
I've heard of
exercise.
one or two things.
Everybody's heard
I
of it.
don't know how to do.
Just
No.
put it's just having a ball in front of you. You can have a transparent ball, balloon. You can have a golden balloon, a red balloon, whatever you want. Just a space in front of you where you put everything that you want. Like Neera was saying, I put gratitude in it. I put abundance in it. I put ease in it. You can put whatever you want in it. And then pull energy from the whole universe, from each and every molecule of the universe into your energy ball. Ask their contribution, each and every molecule to contribute to you. Pull their energy by just saying it. You don't have to do anything. Okay, universe. Okay, plants. Okay, birds. Okay, everybody. Okay, each and every molecule. Can you contribute to this ball of mine? And this lower, every time something comes up, just lower your barriers. Be present. Be first nurturing to your body and nurturing to yourself. And what you ask, you can receive if you have no point of view. ये क्या कह रही है, ऐसे थोड़ी होता है, मैं तो कर लेती हूँ, चलो ये बोल रही है तो. That's not the energy of ask. That's not believing that you will get. That's not trusting you and the universe. When it excites you, when I'm talking about it, and it lightens up your world, maybe it's true for you, maybe it's not. No wrong, no right. But if it is lightens up your world when we are talking about it, when Neera was explaining it to you. Now, when I say put up an energy ball in front of you and put all that you want in it, your money that you want, the travel that you want, the fun that you want, the body that you want, that you'd like to have. You don't know. Don't say, when I say want, I'll replace it with what you like to have. And not like to have like a house with 4 bedrooms, a body so thin and slim. No points of views. Just the energy of joy that you'd like to have. Just put all that abundance, ease, joy, glory, everything into that. And then pull it from the whole of the universe, the energy to it. Let each and every molecule contribute to that energy. Each and everything that you asked for, because we are one. And through the ball, through you, and into the universe, and from the universe, from each and every molecule to your ball, through the ball to you, through your body, the back of you, and then again, let this circle just keep going. And trickle back to all the universe, to each and everyone who is willing to contribute to you, to recognize your energy signature. How often you think of somebody and that person already is thinking of you? You pick up the phone and that person is said, oh, I was just thinking of you. Or you think of somebody and the person calls. Exactly the same way, your thinkings, that person is in your presence, energetic presence. And then you send that trickle back to each and everyone to recognize your energy signature. And now they know who they have to contribute to. And just ask this circle to go on. And give it a job to go on, and ask this energetic circle through your energy ball, through you and into the universe, and say, when you want more energy, let me know. I will energize it. So just get that energy, and you will, 1 minute. Hello? Can I call you later? I have a class going on. No problem. I will. Okay. Thanks. So when you send trickle back, the whole universe now knows who they have to contribute to. You asked, right? You ask. When you ask, you shall receive. There is no doubt in that. It's as profound as gratitude. As gravity. As profound as the sun comes up in the morning. Do you question it? That kal aayega ke nahi aayega? Exactly the same way, when you ask with no point of view, it has to show up. But it never shows up the way you ask it to show up. It just shows up in different ways. You might not recognize it if you're thinking, if there is a traffic jam here, you might not recognize it. It might just pass and go to somebody else. And you think, oh, मैंने मांगा था ये, उसको कैसे मिल गया? So have that. And whenever you think of that ball, you can again energize it by pulling energy from the universe into your ball, into you, into the universe, and some trickle back to each and every molecule that can contribute to you. This is a lovely exercise. Please do it and have fun with it. You can have anything that you really desire to have. You are the one who's a creator in your life. Like Neera said, if you want ease, you can ask for it. But we ask for other things, problems. ये कैसे होगा, वो कैसे होगा, ये बच्चे को कैसे सिखा दूं, ये उसको कैसे दे दूं, ये no. You know it all. Just trust yourself. Everything doesn't allow you to be that present with you in every now moment. Would you be willing to destroy and unkit it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, on a short, wise, and beyond. Do something that's nurturing your body and nurturing you at least for 1 hour in a day or 1 day in a week. And Gary says if you do that, your income will double within 6 months. You're all the time cribbing, ये नहीं हो रहा, ये problem है, ऐसे नहीं होता, वैसे नहीं होता, don't get sleep, I don't know. That's the energy you be. You will get more things to be that with that energy. Same kind of energy in abundance will show up because we are energy, and then the same energy will attract it and bring it to you. What energy you want to be? Abundance is having everything you do be in a joyful expression of. It's actually a joyful expression of life. Everything doesn't allow that for you to be that in every now moment. Would you be willing to destroy and unkit it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, on short, boys, and beyond. Thank you, Usha. Thank you, Neera. Thank you, Raji. Simona. Salima.
It means, Kanwal, it means like just now you said 1 week, 1 time. It means be within yourself. And
Whatever is nurturing for you, Neera, for Usha.
Okay.
It could be different for different people. For me, nurturing could be putting up a loud music and dancing, or going for a swim, or sitting in the lawn, or gardening. What is it for you? Or just sleeping, just allowing myself to sleep at 11 in the afternoon if I feel sleepy. So what is it for you? Just close your eyes and ask, what is nurturing to me, my body, my being? Thank you. Anybody else? Any questions? We've got 6 minutes, guys. I'll have to close it today because I have somebody staying with me and I have to serve breakfast.
Can we do energy ball cover?
We've just done.
No, मतलब आप explain कर रहे थे ना तभी तो.
वो तो हो गया. अब उसको आप कर सकते थे जब मैं explain कर रही थी. आपने क्यों नहीं किया?
I was just
It is automatically done.
Okay.
You believe it's not done, it's not done. But you believe it's done, it's done.
Okay.
I mean, for me, it was done. Everybody got the energy of what we were saying?
Yes, and Mamta, if you'd like to do it, call me. I'll do it with you because I love doing these.
Mamta is an expert. She can do it for herself, but then we can do it next time again. But if you want it now, I don't know. I have no idea. I have no point of view. If you want, or everybody wants it, we can do it again. But I will do the same thing again.
5 minute कर लेते हैं ना कमल, it's okay.
What do people say?
Yes.
You're too good, Kamal. Kar le, koi baat nahi.
Okay.
I told you.
I
I
have
told
no
you.
point of view. I have no
Thank
point
you.
of view. If
Yes,
everybody is willing, I'm willing.
Thank you.
Yes, yes.
Just close your eyes or open them. I have no point of view. Just visualize, just have an energy ball in front of you. Lower your barriers, become present. Whichever color you want the energy ball to be, just have that. And put whatever you want to in it. Have you done that? And now you can start pulling the energy from all over the universe. Each and every molecule. Expand yourself and pull energy. You are the universe actually. Just requesting each molecule to contribute to you. And let that energy permeate in the energy ball, dance around all the things joyfully. Have fun looking at the things that you have put in. And go through that to you. And now it expands each and every molecule in your body. In every nook and corner of your body is joyous and tingling now with joy, with all the abundance that there is. And you know it. It's yours for ask. You just haven't been able to ask. Nobody ever told you you can ask and receive. Maybe this is your first time. Every time for me is the first time actually. Something else shows up. And then you let it go from the back of you into the entire universe. And the one molecule, all the other molecules that were just lying dormant and didn't even know you were asking are now awake with the dance of the peace and the joy and the fun that you are. And says, okay, I will also join in. We'll also join in to gift you what you want. And then there are more of them now flooding towards your ball, energizing it and making it abundant and gifting you everything that you asked for. And now the energy is within you from the ball into your every cell of your body. And you are like alive and you are like expanded and you are like a balloon yourself and you are flying and you're joyous and you know that you can have it all. And then let that go into the universe and let this dance, this rhythm, this contribution, this symphony of possibility keep flowing to you and awakening everybody who doesn't know that it is possible. Because it's possible for you and you become an invitation for everybody around you who thought was not possible and now say, wow, if Kamal can have it, I can have it too. No, it's like a mela. Everybody wants to go for the fair and everybody wants to pick up whatever is fun for them. And their balloon keeps expanding. The more things adding to it and more things are coming in it and more gratitude is coming from each and every molecule of your body. How much more fun can we have? How much more joy is available that we have not been even aware of, that we didn't even think that it is at our beck and call and we can just have it. Just ask and have it. And let this dance of creation and actualization and magic and miracle keep showing up in your life, in everybody's life you touch. And everything that does not allow that to be the continuous flow on the planet for each and every molecule. The ones who've forgotten, let the others wake you up. And let's play the dance. Let's play this symphony. Wherever you walk, you are being the symphony of possibilities. Just looking at you, people get to, like they say that this medicine, serotonins, I don't know what its name, your body produces when you are happy. You can't have cancer. And people who look at you can't have cancer. Or the ones who have can go away. Everything doesn't allow us all to be that energy for us and for everybody around us. Would we be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pod, all nice shots, boys and beyonds. Thank you, Mamta.
Thank you, Kamal. Love you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
That was so beautiful, Kamal. Thank you so much.
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so
you.
much.
Thank you for asking.
सबको खुश कर दिया कमल, सब खुश हो गए, सबके
मैं
चेहरे
भी,
देख के।
मैं बहुत खुश
Thank you,
हूँ।
Mamta.
आप तो सुबह से ग्लो कर रहे हो, अब हम लोग अभी ग्लो कर रहे हैं।
जब आप किसी और को खुश करते हो तो अपने आप को सबसे पहले, वो कहते हैं when you spray perfume on others, you also get the spray. When you should be willing to do, be, have, create anything for the joy of it, you are doing it for everybody. And you're doing it for you. You're the one who gets the maximum. Thank you, guys. Love you all.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
A very tight hug to you, Kamal.
Thank you for coming out and being here on a Sunday with me. How did I get so lucky?
Ma'am, thank you. Thanks a lot. I feel nice today.
Good, good.
Thank you.
Next time you will have something different to tell. Okay,
Ma'am,
guys.
you'll share the recording, ma'am. Recording you'll share personally.
No, the recording will be on YouTube. You write Kamal Basoor, YouTube. I'll send the link in the group. All the recordings from the day we started are there.
Okay, my video is bad, ma'am. I was not looking bad. Good today. I mean, you want to share it in YouTube, ma'am?
You decide. YouTube पे है बेटा वो. YouTube पे ही है. It's on YouTube. I will send you the link. If you open it, if your video doesn't come, you can hear the recording. It's not a video recording. It's an audio recording.
Okay.
Some people don't want to be seen on YouTube, so that's why it's an audio recording. It's not video recording.
Okay, so sweet of you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Love you all. Have a great Sunday.